Okay.
Hi, Mike Bogden.
And Craig Neville.
And it's the Island Park Weekly Weather Report for
Wednesday, February the 11th, 2026, and, of course, the 6 days thereafter.
That's right, which means it's going to be...
I can't see a thing.
That's because the sun's right there.
That's right, and I'm going to get me sunglasses like yours.
I love photo grace.
Yes.
So, this is President Day
It's going to be President's Day weekend. That's right. Yeah. What should be the busiest day of the winter season, but
it's so far the snow's still iffy.
The snow is still very iffy.
Yeah, iffy. It's getting less iffy.
Maybe.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe. We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see.
So let's talk about the weather, Craig.
So it's not going to be as snowy as we were hoping it was going to be this week. So here's what we got. We got a couple of inches, maybe an inch or two coming on Wednesday. I'm seeing right now.
Yeah, we got a little weather coming in Wednesday.
And then that's going to pretty much clear out for Wednesday night, although I do anticipate that Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are going to be more on the overcast side with an occasional snow flurry here and there.
Yeah, this first one's probably, we may end up with maybe 3 inches out of it or something like that if life is good.
I think he's hoping. If life is real good.
Yeah, we may get 3 or 4 inches out of it, but nothing substantial. Just, it's iffy.
Yeah.
But then we do have something coming. It's a nice surprise coming later. But let's talk about
the temperatures.
Temperatures.
Okay.
Yeah, they're a little too warm for really good snow because it won't be very cold snow. Because it looks like during the daytime we're going to be above freezing.
Yeah, daytime highs it looks like are going to be, what was it? It was
the mid to high 30s.
Mid to high 30s, alternating kind of back and forth.
Yeah.
And then Sunday, I'm even seeing a low 40.
Maybe. It depends. We do have weather moving in starting Sunday, so
I think it'll be more Sunday night.
Yeah, but we got some weather coming in Sunday night. Nighttime temperatures through the whole week pretty much are just going to be in the 20s.
In the 20s, yeah, ranging from the low to the high 20s, but in the 20s.
Yeah, in the 20s all week long. Are you waving at
It's
people?
Hurting my eyes, actually. Ow.
Well, look that way.
That's right where the sun is.
Oh, well, look that way.
Yeah, right? Okay.
Get a profile
That's
quick.
That's better.
He's such a baby. Anyway, so we do have a storm coming in for starting Sunday night, Monday-ish. Looks like the bulk of the storm is probably going to be just in time for everybody to leave for President's Day weekend. But
yeah, I don't think the trip out of here on Monday is going to be the best driving, but if you're slow and easy and just take your time, I think you'll be all right.
Yeah, because it looks like we're going to get a decent storm coming this coming week. So
yeah. So starting that Sunday night, like we were saying, right now I'm seeing about an inch of snow over Sunday night. The thing is I do see that turning over to a mix of rain and snow for Monday earlier, Monday late morning, maybe Monday afternoon, but then I see it turning back to snow later afternoon for the rest of Monday, and I see 3 to 5 inches on Monday night.
yeah, I'm not sure that it's going to actually be rain snow. It's just going to be wetter snow. I think
I think we're going to see some rain.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I'm not.
We're going to hope Mike is right on this one, but I see some raindrops.
Well, we're right on the border. We're still in the 30s. We're in the mid 30s maybe, so it's not going to be.
Now Monday I'm expecting high 30s. So.
Well, we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what comes with this thing. It is coming up from California and then coming up and around, hitting with some colder air and then dropping snow on us. But it looks like we're going to get a decent snow coming. But that's only, like I said, that's going to be Monday and Tuesday. We'll see some snow and then into the next forecast.
Yeah, and the next forecast we should be talking more on the snow side. So.
Yeah, it looks like.
But that could still change between now and then.
Yeah, it could. But nighttime temperatures here again still 20s.
20s, yep, all the way through Tuesday.
Yeah, so just 20s, like I said, mid to low, but maybe a few highs, mostly mid to low 20s. And
then I do expect that storm to continue into Tuesday, and Tuesday I'm seeing another good couple of inches. So.
Yeah, so like I said, we'll see how this one goes. Like I said, the next one after this one's going to be a pretty decent one, I think. So anyway, but we'll see what happens. It's the it's winter. Now we stopped over. We were going to do our weather report from the dam, but we were going to walk down on the reservoir side and walk there, but we didn't. But
it was looking pretty mushy right around the edges.
Yeah. It was good. The ice was getting a little clear looking, a little watery looking, and it's like, yeah, we don't want to take a bath.
There was actually a couple of little holes that looked like they went all the way through. I thought maybe somebody was ice fishing there, but probably not right on the edge of the shore, right?
No, not in the rocks. Anyway, so it looks like so they were losing some some ice there around the rim of the reservoir to the south, but we're over here right.
So we came to the more north side, right?
Yeah, we're on the back side where we're our backs are to
Lakeside Lodge.
Lakeside Lodge, so that's where we're at right now on the reservoir, and this ice is a lot more solid.
Yes, it is.
Which is nice if you're gonna do some ice fishing or something. But like I said, it's with the little warmer temps and stuff, it's not great for ice fishing. So, because it doesn't do good for the ice.
Right? No. But at least it's not melting here right now. So.
Yeah,
and that sun does feel good.
Yeah, I mean, we're hoping and praying that we see some real change in weather pattern and get hit with some really heavy snow, because right now, I mean, we could have an April spring.
It's possible,
and that would suck.
Yeah,
because then we got fire danger, and that's the biggest problem. Is we get an early spring, we're gonna get grass early, and then it's gonna dry out early, and that means we're gonna end up with fire danger.
And Mother Nature keeps teasing us because it makes it look like that weather pattern is going to change, and then it kind of backs off, and it stays the same, and then it says, "Oh, we're gonna no."
In the meantime, Florida's getting our snow.
Yeah, Florida and the whole East Coast.
Yeah, it's going around us and hitting them instead.
And they're whining and complaining because they're not used to that.
They don't want it, and we would love to have it. So it's just shifting. The weather patterns are shifting around. But anyway, hopefully it'll get better. We'll get some more snow. We'll get a lot of spring snow, and we'll get the snowpack up to where it needs to be. But right now, there's nothing that shows that we got an enormous dump coming yet. So
no.
Anyway, like I said, the next storm after this one should be better.
We'll see. Right now, it's looking pretty good.
So keep.
I'll even agree to that.
Yeah. Well, there you go. You're so polite. Anyway, with that, we just want to wish you a good week. I hope you have fun.
Happy President's Day to you.
And hey, if you're in certain parts of the country right now, the tree wells are showing back up again, and so I would be a little bit more concerned about bumping a grizzly bear. So
really,
yeah, just a little bit. They're not gonna go real far from the dens, but they will come out. And with the kind of weather and with the fact there's some bare ground underneath the trees and stuff, they'll come out and try to feed. So just be aware of the grizzly situation. If you're tootling around, even though it's still early in the season, there's no reason for them to be completely denned up. So they may be out and moving, trying to find some food. So be careful.
Yep.
Anyway,
take your bear spray.
Yep. And and the other thing is that if we don't get a lot more snow, they're going to definitely be out early this year. So you have to put away the bird feeders a lot earlier than usual. We may have to put them up in March if this continues. So anyway,
we'll keep you posted. Keep watching us.
Yeah. Anyway, so with that cheery news.
We're just full of cheery news lately, aren't we?
What can you do? You just have to cook with what you got. Anyway,
that.
So for Mylan Park, it's Mike Bogden
and Craig Neville.
Be safe, be careful. Remember to love, guys. See you. Bye.
Bye.